Hallo, agus fáilte gunnar FRADS. Is Misha Alana Nichtanush.
And I'm Blair Teska, and welcome to the FRADS. Hands up for Trad's new Fringe Sister Awards, where we look to highlight and give recognition to important, yet until now, unsung parts of our Scots trad music scene.
If you'd like to be in Perth for the ALBA Scots Trad Music Awards on the 1st of December, you can still buy tickets and read about the nominees at www.scotstradmusicawards.com. A great night of glam, glitz, awards and fabulous music from the likes of Croft No. 5, Manran, the Karine Polwart Trio, the Canaris Quintet and many others.
For today's FRAD Awards, we are in the beautiful and brand new Wester Rum Distillery. The first rum distillery to open in Glasgow for 300 years. If you're looking for great Christmas present ideas, check them out at www.westerspirits.com.
Let's get on with the FRADS. For our very first FRAD Award, we are going to take a look at the visual side of our music industry, the album covers and their designers. The nominees for Trad Album Cover of the Year are Dives, The Rough Bounds, designed by Father of Schmo, Sorley MacDonald.
Finlay Napier's Glasgow, designed by Martin Roswell at Simply Marvellous Creative.
Another of Sorley MacDonald's designs, The Morning Tempest by Josie Duncan and Pablo Lafuente.
And Punch by the Poozies, which was designed by the band's very own Sarah McFadgen.
And the winner of our very first ever FRAD Award is The Morning Tempest by Josie and Pablo, designed by Sorley MacDonald, the father of Schmo.
Sadly, neither Sorley or Josie can make it today, but Adam Sutherland is here to pick up their FRAD.
Hello, Adam.
Hello, hello.
Well done.
Thank you very much. Of course, it's Sorley's award, and I'm very happy to be here collecting it on his behalf. I think Sorley's firmly established himself as one of the go-to people to get an amazing album cover done in the trad music industry here in Scotland, and he's a phenomenal talent, and all credit to him.
Great. Well, thank you very much for picking up the award.
Here we go.
Here you are.
Pleasure. Here you go, Sorley.
On to our second category of the Trad Promo Photograph of the Year, and we have some crackers for you. Here are the nominations.
Ross Ainsley, photographed by Alistair Sinclair.
Adam Sutherland, photographed by Sorley MacDonald.
Kim Carney, photographed by Louise Bichen.
And Hannah Rarity, photographed by Ellie Lucas.
And the winner of our Trad Promo Photograph FRAD is Kim Carney, photographed by Louise Bichen.
Thanks very much, guys. Well, it was really lovely to get to work with Louise Bicken. She's amazing, and just like to say thank you to her for being so patient and having a lovely day with me and the botanics.
Lovely.
Right,
Well done, Kim.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Cheers.
Social media has taken not only the world but also the trad world by storm in the last number of years. Musicians use Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram to promote themselves. The nominees for the best trad use of social media are
Talisk, Emar, Skerry Boer, Josie Duncan, Rura and Inyal. And our 2018 social media FRAD winner is Inyal.
I'm delighted to accept this award on behalf of Inyal. We're delighted to have been recognised in this category and delighted to have won as well. Thanks very much. We look forward to another year of making stupid wee videos.
Can't wait.
Cheers.
Here's your award. Cheers, man. We're on to my favourite FRAD category now, the best trad accessory of the year. You can't beat a good accessory. The winner of this year's FRAD is Julie Fowles' stunning feather headdress from her Ultram album cover. It was made by Brora's Craig Mackay with barn owl feathers. Unfortunately, Julie Fowles nor Craig can make it to pick up this award, but Julie has sent this thank you message.
So I'd like to thank Craig Mackay for making that amazing feathery headdress that we use on the front cover of Alterum. It definitely wasn't the front cover that I thought it was going to be, but I'm glad that we went with it, and I would just like to state for the record that no creatures were harmed during the making of this album.
We move on to our Trad Cook of the Year, FRAD. After gate crashing many of our Folkies dinner tables, we came up with the following nominees. They are
Accordion player Phil Cunningham,
Fiddler Ali Bain
Piper Ross Ainsley,
and Fiddler Anna Wendy Stevenson.
and the winners of the Tasty Trad FRAD is Ross Ainsley.
Unfortunately, Ross couldn't make it today, but here's a message from him. I've been into cooking since I was a kid, and through music I've managed to travel all over the world. Getting to try out many different cuisines along the way has definitely made me more creative in the kitchen. Most musicians I know love food and are also good cooks, so I'm glad to see this award is happening.
2018 has been another year of great performances in the Scottish trad scene. Our next category is Most Innovative Trad Performance. The nominees are
Culture and Beyond at Celtic Connections, featuring the Grit Orchestra and incorporating all or nothing aerial dance, and trial cyclist Danny McCaskill and Ali Clarkson. An inspirational gig performed to 15,000 people at Glasgow's Hydro.
Nae Plans performance at Loch Lagan, the largest freshwater beach in the UK.
Oran and Gael, Songs of the Gael, also at Celtic Connections, featuring an array of contemporary Gaelic singers, including Julie Fowlis, Karen Matheson, Kathleen McInnes, Arthur Cormack and more, performing brand new orchestral arrangements of Gaelic songs premiered by the Scottish Symphony Orchestra.
And the Most Innovative Performance FRAD winner is Culture and Beyond at Celtic Connections. Congratulations.
While most of our traditional musicians love to travel all over the country and the world, we thought it would be important to tally up those hours spent in ferry quays with our Most Islands Gigged This Year category.
The nominations are Saltfish 40,
Banglee
Trail West,
and Tidelines. And the winners of our Trad Island Hopscotch FRAD are Banglee, who gigged on 13 Scottish islands this year. Well done to them. Here's an audio message from the band.
Hello, sin Queen Lee, as een tangle, as een doos as of een, zo'n Helen in Peru, the Russian Clash in Brianza.
Thank you very much for this award. We're very fortunate to play at so many different places and so many different islands, and but we need to remember the real winners are Calmac. Thank you.
We move on to celebrate those masterminds that are behind the glass in the recording studios with our Trad Music Producer of the Year, FRAD.
Our nominations are Andrea Goby,
Matty Folds,
Vary Hall,
and Ewan Burton. And the winner is
Andrea Goby. Here is a message from Andrea.
Vorrei ringraziare Simon Tumier and Hands Up for FRAD per questo trofeo, Trad Producer of the Year. Sono onorato e vorrei sottolineare che non avrei mai potuto raggiungere tale pinnacolo nella mia carriera se non fosse stato per i brillanti musicisti con cui ho la fortuna di lavorare. Grazie a tutti.
Our penultimate FRAD is Musician's Airline of the Year. As many of you know, flying with an instrument can be a lottery. You just never know what will happen. Our winners in this category get great feedback from all the musicians who fly with them. Congratulations to Scotland's Airline, Loganair, for winning our Musician's Airline of the Year FRAD.
The final FRAD today is Trad Video of the Year. This is a category that has blossomed over the last couple of years with some great filmmakers getting involved. The nominations for 2018 Trad Video of the Year are
Doan a Mácarich by Gillibrich Macmillan, directed by Nuo Mendoza and Tiago Murna.
Ver by Heisk, directed by Hamish MacLeod.
Take My Hand by Skerryvord, directed by Dáil and McKinnon.
I Cheeky Cheeky by Dallahan, directed by Samuel Hurt.
And the winners of the FRAD's Trad Video of the Year are Heisk and Hamish MacLeod with their video Ver. Thank
Thanks, that's great. I'd like to say a big thanks to Hamish McLeod and Ian McLeod for pulling together that video, and for all the dancers that came along and made it a great party.
Yeah, we've had a really great year, and I think a lot of that's to do with our video that we started the year with.
Great, well, thank you very much,
Thank
girls.
you. Cheers.
Thank you, thank you.
Congratulations. If you're interested in watching more videos, check out Hands Up for Trad TV at www.handsupfortrad.tv.
Thank you very much for watching our new Fringe Trad Awards. Congratulations to all our FRAD award winners, and thanks to the Wester Spirits Company for having us today in their brand new distillery. Remember that you can still buy tickets for the Scots Trad Music Awards,
Or as they're more commonly known, the Folky Christmas Party,
which will be in Perth Concert Hall on the 1st of December. Tickets and information on our nominees is available at www.scotstradmusicawards.com. See you there.